Of course, congratulations are in order. That goes without saying. Bravo. Napanood ko po ito last year. No? And I was so impressed with it. Ang tanong ko, since 1 week early ang inyong preview, you're officially opening on the 19th. Are we expecting something new when it opens? Or is it, kasi ang tapang niya, usually TDRs TDR, press preview, are usually a day or two before. You did it a week much earlier, which is good strategy, marketing-wise. Are we going to be seeing something different when it opens?
Yes, of course. You're going to see something more fine and...
Second question na lang. It's more out of concern. Wala kang alternate, Kiki?
Wala po. Baka may gusto mag-present.
Kasi I can imagine how physically and emotionally taxing it is. In fact, I was so impressed that Kiki was able to infuse emotional truth into her comedy. Natatawa tayo, but you can see how emotionally exhausted she was from her face and all the way to the end when she actually won. Thank you that you did not resort, now I'm getting emotional. Thank you that you did not resort into slapstick. It was physical comedy, but it was so truthful, which is lacking in a lot of physical comedy. So, I'm just a little concerned about how do you get the rest?
Rest? Ano po yun? Ano yun? Salamat po sa inyong comment at sa concern. Nakaka-tender po. Kasama naman po actually sa disiplina yung yung pagkakaroon ng or pagnakaw kung di man kaya na mahaba. Pero yung makapahinga bilang kasama naman sa tool talaga natin ang ating katawan, ang ating boses. Alam, kailangan mong alagaan eh. So, kailangan natin mahalin yung ating sarili. Well! Yun po.
Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Questions for members of our audience? Nagtataas po ba naman? Sige po, huwag na po kayong mahiya. Wala. O sige.